So hi everyone, I was checking Twitter and then I saw Qwen team have released Qwen 3 TTS text to speech models and they have made it open source. So totally they have five models, zero point 0.6 billion and 1.8 billion parameters, and at state of the art uh, performance, fully fine tuning support, and then it it also gives voice design and cloning options. And as of now, it supports 10 languages. So I just wanted to try it out how it is in my local and as well as just check out the models. So they have given all the links: GitHub, Hugging Face, model, blog, paper, APIs, like everything they have given. They also have a Hugging Face demo. So let's see how it is. I want to run it in my local and see how it performs in my local. I have 6 GB NVIDIA RTX 3060, I guess. So I want to see how it performs in my local. Okay, so this is the demo in Hugging Face. Uh, in the GitHub, they have given like very good documentations on how we can run and everything in our local as well. So I'm gonna try both that and then generate, and then I'm gonna try it out in the demo as well. So this is basically voice design, voice clone, and also custom voice. In this voice clone, with just like somewhere in the documentation I saw, it should be at least some 10-second video audio for voice cloning. Let me see. Clone. I'm not sure where I saw it. Okay, I opened the Chinese version. Yeah, audio requirements, excellent cloning results require high quality input audio. So supported formats MP3, MP4, and WAV. The okay 10 to 20 seconds of video is recommended for voice cloning. So I'm gonna clone my voice also in the local to see how it performs. So let's try in uh, in Hugging Face. I'm not gonna try voice cloning, that I'm going to do in my local. Let's just see how it performs. I'm just going to use all the pre-filled ones, default values. It's in the top drawer, right? It's empty. Okay, and for voice description, it's mentioned as speak in an incredulous tone, but with a hint of panic beginning to creep into your voice. Okay, it got generated.
It's in the top drawer. Oh, wait. It's empty? No way, that's impossible. I'm sure I put it there.
I think it's pretty good. It looks very like actual person talking. So I'm gonna try it out in my local. So the in the GitHub they have given the code as well if you want to try it in local. So they have given like everything, like what to be installed and everything. And I just created a virtual environment and then I installed their Python library. And I tried to install this flash attention, but for some reason I'm getting some error. It was giving my CUDA version is not matching, but it matches when I see manually. So I'm not sure what is happening. So I'm skipping it for now. I'm not gonna debug it for now. So I just left it out. And other than that, they mentioned that when we run it, the script will automatically download the required model. But I did it manually. I have Hugging Face CLI installed, so I just did manually the model which I want, and it's available in the repository. I downloaded it here, the whole model. This is my code. This code is available on the GitHub repository, which they gave also. One thing I did is I recorded my voice. I just used recorder in this laptop, and I recorded a voice for like 10 seconds or something. So and here I think we have to disable this attention implementation because it's not installed and we will get an error. And I'm not gonna debug it now. So I have I'll comment it out for now. And this is the recorded voice which I have here. I just recorded it. and then the text reference, whatever I'm speaking in that, it's the transcription of that. I just put it here. So reference audio and reference text. Then this model, we have this Qwen 3 TTS model from pretrained, and I'm using this particular model which I have pulled here from Hugging Face. And then device map, it's going to use my GPU, and the retype is pfloat 16. So it's in generate voice clone method. I have given this particular text, and I'm asking for English, and the reference audio and text, the one which I have here. So this is for voice cloning, uh, to see how well it clones. uh, I tried it before some time, but it's taking a lot of time. Maybe my system is not very good in performance for this. So I'll run this. I'll comment it out. Once the voice is generated, I will play it back. Okay, the output is generated. It didn't take a lot of time. It was just few seconds. And in the warning, once I ran, it was like flash attention is not installed. Will only run manual PyTorch version. Please install flash attention for faster inference. So I mentioned it is slow in my system. So maybe when I install flash attention after resolving the error, it would be faster. So it just executed, and this is the output voice clone which it got generated. We mentioned it here, the file name. So it got generated. Let's try to play and see if it how that is. So this is the recorded voice which I had. Hello, how are you? I think I'm fine, and everybody is fine too. So thank you so much for your efforts, all your efforts, and I'm great for that. Thank you much. This is the recorded voice, and this is the voice it generated. So let's see if it matches. So much. Hey, hi everyone. I hope everyone are doing great and wonderful. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, I think it is matching, but in the beginning, I don't know if it was. It didn't look like my voice, but so much. Hey, hi everyone. I hope everyone are doing great and wonderful. Yeah, after half, it felt like my voice, but with the first voice, it started. Maybe it needs more input for training, but then this is better. This is also good. So I tried one more thing. So basically, I wanted to see. I want to run some model in my local, and then whatever I'm asking it, the output I wanted it to be in my voice. So I'm gonna try it. I already have the code here. I was trying it out yesterday. So here also attention I have disabled it, like commented it out, and then same my reference audio and reference text is same. And what I did was I'm going to call olama in my local, uh, and I'm going to use this lfm 2.5 thinking, because I checked in I was checking in sorry I was checking in olama. Yeah, I was checking in olama for a model. So in that I wanted to download the smallest one. So this was first I went inside, but it was 19 GB, so I'm not going to download it. And then the second one, LFM 2.5 thinking, is it's just 731 MB, so I'm gonna use that. I have already pulled it. First time when I tried to pull it, first I didn't have anything. I removed all my models in local. So when I first tried to pull it, I got some error because the model you're attempting to pull requires newer version of Olama. So I updated the version, and then I pulled it. Yeah, it's success. Like this model is in my local now, and Olama can give me the can use to be inferencing that. So let's see. I'm gonna try it in the GPU also. Sorry, GUI. Yeah, it was okay. Got the response. So I'm going to use the same model in the code as well. So what I'm doing here is I'm just have a few, like in my main I'm just asking a query, and then I'm calling it into passing it into Olama for response. In chat I'm getting, so this is the input. Whatever string I'm typing, it's gonna go into Olama as an input, and then whatever response I'm getting, I'm returning it back. And that response I'm passing it into generate audio from response, and the same thing, like model generate voice clone, and it's going to use my reference audio and text, and then it's going to write this write this file, and then I also have this play audio to automatically play that whenever the result is generated, the file is generated. So let's see how it works. Now to call main. It's taking time because it's initializing the model. Same thing. This socks. I think it's trying to access it, but I have not installed it. So without that, also it works fine. So it's asking for a text. Let me say, who is the Prime Minister of India? Let's see how it what it responds. So this will go to Olama. Olama will use that model which I specified, the LFM 2.5 thinking, and then it's going to respond with the text, and then we are going to generate the audio with our Qwen 3 TTS 0.6 billion base I have used, and then it will automatically, once the voice is generated, it will automatically play using this play audio. So let's see, I'm gonna pass it and come back. If we have this flash attention, the inferencing will be faster, I believe. And also, based on the response size, so much, the current Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. He has held the position since October 21 and 14 and continues to serve as India's leader. Modi is a former Chief Minister of Gujarat and a prominent figure in Indian politics, known for his role in shaping national policies and his leadership during key events like the 2019 general elections. Okay. Let me know if this is pretty good. It felt like my voice only. First time which I manually generated, it was the starting of it was not sounding like my voice, but then this response is like my voice. Uh, let's see how much second it generated. So much, the current okay, 24 seconds. Yeah, I think this is great. uh, excited to build something with this in my local and see. Thank you so much for watching.